What's up, y'all? It's Kelly West. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Feeling this shit. So, it appears that Tiger Woods finally caught a break on his case of him getting sued by his ex-girlfriend for sexual harassment.
Gotcha, bitch!
Now, it does appear that the Florida judge denies Tiger Woods' ex-girlfriend's attempt to quash the non-disclosure agreement that she was trying to get rid of in midst of a $30 million lawsuit that she has against Tiger Woods and his trust.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Florida judge ruled late Wednesday that the ex-girlfriend of Tiger Woods was abided by a non-disclosure agreement that she purportedly signed and resolved her lawsuit seeking millions from the golf superstar through private arbitration behind closed doors. Now, Circuit Judge Elizabeth Metzger, in an 11-page opinion, rejected Erica Herman's attempt to quash the 2017 agreement by saying Woods had committed sexual harassment against her, calling Herman's allegations vague and threadbare.
Emotional damage.
Herman had the opportunity to provide factual specificity for any claim relating to sexual assault or sexual harassment. However, she has not done so far, Metzger wrote.
You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious?
Metzger also said that the evidence shows that a non-disclosure agreement was negotiated between Herman and Woods in 2017, even if her attorney Benjamin Hudas now questions whether she actually signed it.
Gotcha.
At a May 9th hearing, Hudas conceded that Herman signed an agreement, but he said she doesn't remember ever seeing the one Woods' attorney presented to the court. Now, Metzger said that if Herman unequivocally denied signing the agreement, she would have ordered a hearing on that issue. But since Herman isn't sure if she signed it or not, that is a question for the arbitrator to decide.
I hurt myself today.
Now, neither Hudas nor Woods' attorney, J.B. Murray, immediately responded to the late Wednesday email seeking comment. It is unknown if Hudas will appeal.
I am shocked. Well, not that shocked.
Now, it says Herman, who is 39, has sued both Woods, 47, and the trust that he owns his $54 million Florida mansion, seeking $30 million from the latter amid of unspecified allegations of sexual harassment. Forbes magazine estimated that Woods' net worth is at $1.1 billion. Now, Herman, who managed Woods' Palm Beach County restaurant before and during the first years of their romantic relationship, argues that the NDA is unenforceable under a new federal law that says such contracts can be voided when sexual abuse or sexual harassment occurred. Now, she alleged in the court's documents that Woods threatened to fire her if she didn't sign the NDA. Hooters argue that it is a type of harassment, treating one employee different than others because they have a sexual relationship.
What kind of shit is that?
But the sexual harassment allegation was barely mentioned during last week's hearing. Metzger told Hooters she needed more information about what happened allegedly to consider it. Now, Hooters said he couldn't provide more information publicly in fear that he would be violating the NDA if it is ultimately upheld. Now, Murray has called the allegation utterly meritless.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Of course, because let's just be real. She was a girlfriend to Tiger Woods. How can you, I mean, I guess you could, but how can you claim sexual harassment for someone who's already hitting that? That don't make no sense.
About the butt, my finger about the butt.
But okay. You know, my opinion is neither here nor there at this moment while I'm reading this article. Now, in Herman's lawsuit against Woods, she asked Metzger to either avoid the NDA or at least give her guidance about what she can say publicly.
Who?
She also argued that the contract covers only her work relationship with Woods, not their personal matters. Come on now. Like, bruh.
It's an evil world we live in.
In her unlawful eviction lawsuit against the trust, she is basing her $30 million claim on how much it will cost to rent a property like Woods' beachfront mansion, North Palm Beach, for the 6 years residence she was alleged promised by the golfer and then denied.
I don't give a fuck what you think, bitch.
So let me get this straight. Your relationship didn't work out and you still want to live in a fat mansion? But baby girl, that's not how boyfriend and girlfriend relationships work. When a relationship ends, all the perks of it end as well. Y'all weren't married. Take this L.
No. I'll do something.
But of course they're not. They're not gonna take it. They're not gonna take it lightly. Before they dated, Woods hired Herman in 2014 to help develop and then operate the Woods sports bar and restaurant near Jupiter. But they did not agree when their romantic relationship and cohabitation began. Herman says in her court filings that their romantic relationship began in 2015, and in late 2016, she moved into Woods' nearly 300 square foot mansion in the ritzy Hope Sound community. She says that in 2017, Woods verbally promised that she could live there at least 11 more years.
Get the fuck out of here!
Herman says Woods pressured her to quit the job in 2020 so she could spend more time taking care of him and his children. Woods, in his court documents, says their romantic relationship began in 2017 and that she moved in with him that August, about the time the disputed NDA was signed. In March 2017, Woods had put the mansion into the Jupiter Islands Irrevocable Homestead Trust, an entity he created that only himself and his 2 children are the beneficiaries.
My nigga.
Now, I'm just gonna break down what I think about this. Like, at the end of the day, it's really just BS. She wants, she was just his girlfriend, and she still wants to benefit from that.
Nope.
And let's just be real. If you were running his restaurant and then you got into a relationship with him, if any time you should have filed sexual harassment, it should have been when you were the restaurant manager. But no, you knew that being with Tiger Woods would make you somebody that was admirable to your friends and shit, let's be honest, to the whole country and to the whole world. I mean, you know, let's just be real. You know, being with a successful man is always a woman's dream. Unfortunately, that dream ended, but she still wants to capitalize on it.
Just like a woman.
Truth be told, she wants the NDA to be going away so that way she could write a book about Tiger Woods and basically market the fact that she was in a relationship with him. Unfortunately, she can't, and the relationship didn't go the way that she wanted. So now this is the way of her getting, you know, basically Tiger Woods to pay a bachelor's tax. And basically, from what it looked like, he don't have to do that for now. Now, of course, this will go to arbitration. You know, she's still probably gonna get paid. Definitely not $30 million, and at least Tiger Woods doesn't have to worry about his business being in the street.
He ain't lying.